doing? All right, so earlier we had the Maskrutsstemmen contest. That's where you hold the beer out like this. And the winner of that contest's name was Kevin Lewick. Kevin Lewick. Kevin, hurry up, get up here, take a bow. All right, congratulations, Kevin. All right, New Braunfels, Texas, are you ready? All right, would you please welcome from San Antonio, Texas, the Texas Tornadoes.
New Braunfels, how you doing? Yeah. Say hello to my good friend, Mr. Augie Meyers and Mr. Flaco Jimenez. Everybody drinking, right? We got a call to play the beer fest, and I said, man, I think that's a perfect place for the Texas Tornadoes and Flaco. You guys ready out there? Let me hear you. Are you ready out there? Let's go to San Antonio. It's cold today. Here I am walking down 66. Wish you hadn't done me this way. Sleeping under the table in a roadside park. A man could wake up dead, but it sure seems warmer than it did. Sleeping in your king-size bed. Everybody going to San Antonio. It's Arizona. Every place is alright as long as I forget. I'm never gonna block it down. Well, the wind whipping down the neck of my shirt like I ain't got nothing on. But I'd rather fight the wind and rain than what I was fighting at home. Sing with me now. Everybody going to San Antonio. It's Arizona. Every place is alright as long as I forget. I'd rather go to Flaco. Tomorrow she'll probably want me back, but I'll be just as gone. Sing with me now. Everybody going to San Antonio. It's Arizona. Every place is alright as long as I forget. One more Flaco. Let's give it up for Mr. Augie Meyers. He's going to talk about some of that dinero.